Menta ka sengi ka khatkhane tarik jomang arjar arpsan. Menteri rang ba ka jela Conrad ke sangma harangkat sembut menteri rang ba. Ba preston tensong bat menteri ketenat jengok kai ba poleng do kilawan ban let Jurip ya ka Iewduh. Shua ban sedang ke jingyat kejat ban Jurip ya ki benta jaga Iewduh. La pediang sengu bahai menteri rang ba bat ya ki menteri da usim ke hima melim pa im ainam manik sim. Kajing let Jurip kala sedang namot pran bat ya ki basa di baper nadu iyo molong basa sok sau iyo dilang basa do bat jaka di dok ha kli iyo bat kiwe hakaba na kaliang jong menteri rang ba lem bat usembut menteri kiliyo ban keren bat ki kato kat ne ki Nongshongiew. Kane ka jingwan Jurip kade halor ka jing temu joka sorkar ban penkela ya ka Iewduh sya ka jaka ka bakhoj ka ba itenat ka ba terikam bat ka jaka ka ba keluj ka bala ban ai ka jing syekri ka ba pakai kinong di jing di bat kinong thet.
That's why we. Our idea of ideas coming to all of you is that if you sit in secretariat and take decisions, sometimes it's not always the best decision. It is when we hear people like you, when we talk to you and we understand the real problem, then we can make better decisions. That's what we want. Thank you so much. Khublei. So you'll cover this also?
Yes, we will.
We'll cover this. Yeah, urban. Where's urban? Yeah. Boro. Okay. Yeah. So I just asked Boro to come in. I think Boro should be with us in front because he has to explain what we need. Come, sit up. I think we'll have more space. Yes. Very nice. Shower of blessings. This is what we have to now change. Boro sahab, in the new proposal of 15 crores, do we have the covering of this also? Only pipelines now. Then in the second phase, third phase, the first phase is already done 6 crores. Now 15 crores we're doing with Nala and everything. Then you have to do the beautification of this. Is the next step. Huh? No. The next step should be the beautification and as far as possible covering. It may not happen in one go, but we'll do everything step by step. First phase. So next second phase of 15 crores is for Nala and pipeline. So mainly infrastructure. But beautification is important. Let's make this beautiful. Let's make this buildings and all. It doesn't require much. You can do it even yeah. Whatever possible. Let's down. No, you have to tell us how do we yeah, we have to sit down and figure out. Because we cannot wait. And we have to yeah, this is how to yes. Under the normative allotment that is given to every state. So every state is supposed to put projects up. So we have put up the project of Iewduh under NEC scheme, and certain amount of that is coming to NEC, and some part state government will be coming. And in the future, for the larger structures, again different sources will be tapped. We've always believed in that, and whether from center or from state, the objective is to get the work completed. So we will do whatever it takes in a phase-wise manner to ensure that the overall infrastructure we are in place.
All areas.
Yeah, no, because we have sanctioned now 6 crores. Already work is going on, which obviously is not enough. So we're sanctioning another 15 crores. Yeah, I know. It's a process. So we are sanctioning another 15 crores now for this footpath out here. So this all footpath will be done. But then, just to understand what more is needed, we thought we'll come and just check. That's what. So footpath is done, huh? Will be, no. Sanction is done. Yeah, 15 crores has been done.
Some part has been completed.
Some part has been completed. Now, yeah, very difficult. Huh? Once we can, No, so 15 crores now is for the nala and the pipes. Of course, pipes and all a big issue. So that is the first 15 crores. But we can do additional now that we've come. Let us see how we can do additional for covering all this. It'll be good, no? But Bodo, sir, just give us an idea how, obviously, sit with Mantri and Iman, find out what is the best way. Where we can start in phase-wise manner, maybe a separate project, to figure out how we can do a bit of covering here. I don't know, technically. Yeah, exactly. Just do a study. Give us options. I think we came in the right way. So can we prioritize?
Yes.
Let's prioritize.
This one's
Yeah, so you tell us which is the top priority. Because all of this will require maybe 200, 300 crores, to be very frank. I can see. So, but you can tell us that, look, this is an easy one. MECL can do this, power, we can start. Can we do a bit of painting? Can we do the nala first? Then you can tell us one shop where you can say one market area we can do. So you give us an idea.
the most important is because smell is come out. Smell is come out. Compare that everyone is there, this is important. Because if you see condition is not like that, no? Time is
Started, and I'm very happy that we got to meet the vendors, the farmers out here, the different shopkeepers. We interacted with them. We got very good suggestions from them, and thank God it rained also. So we really could see live what problems people actually face, and it made us realize that we really need to do a lot more in this area. So we're very happy, and it's a very good visit, and we want to assure the people of Iewduh, especially the shopkeepers and the Hima and all the other traditional heads, that we will do and work hand in hand with them to ensure that we are able to improve the overall Iewduh market.
So what were some suggestions given by the farmers or the people who are working there?
For example, in one of the farmers market area, they have requested that they've been functioning without light for all this time, and they just wanted some lights, electricity connection to be done. So for that, we don't need special sanction or anything, so we can do those immediately. In one or two areas, they suggested that the space is too small, so they wanted an extra floor to be made. So those suggestions have been noted down. In some areas, they suggested that the way the work is being done, they would like to see that it could be improved better. So they were requesting that if the drainage can be made on the side, because water is a big issue. So on and so forth. So there was very good interaction. Many suggestions came, as I said, but overall, as I said, we've noted down everything, and we realized that we need to make a master plan now to take things forward.
So the rooftop that you mentioned, will it be taken up in this phase?
No, the rooftop means it's not rooftop, the cover, the roof cover along the footpaths, which is open, where we could see that most of the people were selling the vegetables, covering themselves. It was very inconvenient. So we realized that also has to be taken up, but that may not be in this phase because we've already sanctioned 15 crores, as I said, which is mainly for the infrastructure like the nala and the footpath and the ducting of the pipes.
District Council are
but third phase will take.
District Council are taken up a lot of beautification project here. So don't you think there will be overlapping? Government.
No, those are beautification projects that are at a very small scale. These are major infrastructural changes. These are major, like for example, the footpath and the drainage, the ducting of the pipes. These are major projects, and these need to be done at a very large scale. So they will not be needed.
Sir,
Let me translate.
my question.
No, first let me translate. This will discuss it. Minta kasih kepada kena tolong program dari Chief Minister. Ilalak yang kawan-kawan akan dibacakan di Iewduh, Yo kepada Paunapkan dan berjelai jadi kembali dengan asli dengan barok boy kepada Iru ayo yang ayo lukom kepada Iru ayo kepada bat ia pada itu begitu kepada barok kita yang tadi jadi dengan berjelai jadi ia dan kita akan begitu. But dan postman yang itu ini kadang kanu kadang minyak dan ikanat dan pembit dan pendiam jengkut ke sebagian dan hayo. Dengan hapok jelam jong usia. Bah Conrad sama bukan asli. Agak ngaruh dia put lang bati kunjuk dulu di bawah lendo ibadah minister coba tourism department labut angkat yang bani ringkat dulu batu pain kaki dia pain jadi berok yang mengambilin ada juga buat di officer di department bakher badai nadu kalian light kalian juga kalian municipal kalian jong kapli dia dan mentalang bahasa urban affairs kali kasih ke pemerintah aku bang layo lah sipun ke bagi slot di jumlah tu bagi paita Nongshongiew bagi Nongshongiew apa kami tahu bah Iewduh akan berenang akan burung nadu apa rumah ke minta kasih ICM Galagui ilai snow ilai yo ilai jumut nak babun bat Nongshongiew ni Nongshongiew kemau lagi atau semua tolong ba office ke banding kong hidup lu ke masyarakat ai dan bentaban beautiful dan pendek dan pendiam yo inilah dia kita office one office ke baar ke dari kasan kelur ke ba la ai sanction ke pang kita beliau tidak bun ki kam ke sang pendek pendiam ya kaya kayen ke lenti ke sekin tam ke jingnya itu pai ubang niyo i kalau ke jingkut ke bakau ke mentah kan ke office ke baar nak kalian jok ke surga ke Cynthia maka bang ninsa sedang doksen ya ke ban pendek pendiam ya kena kayo ke bakau away maka face ke balai din ke jingwan juni niyo i ke babun ke jingdot kam kata kolong balek se nginsna ke kenja rooftop dan kementak ini ke Nongshongiew kidang don ke Jakarta ke bidang don ke space dan lek nah dan pendek pendiam ya kan niru nilai slok nilai keren akaba nakaliang jok ke hima ban nakaliang jok ke surga kin liap Syong lang kini prepare susu ya kita ki walking plan ke bapin ke bitiang kenang banginang penjana susu ya kani Iewduh kabalong kayo ka bapau napam jong ke jelam itulah jong ni barok susu benda kasni aga jinga pet ya kani kayo yo iru ya kitu ki yo bilang ki bakal like kamdon kambit kambiang aga bau siam la ai ya ka jing kular kemat itu di Nongshongiew borok bang sen win sa install ya kani light aga ba akamit kayong leni aga dum aga jing slap ka ba mot kinyo ban yo i ya jinya ki jinga de ki ya ke babit babian ba ya kani ni sale sen hati ni ki ya sini ki ba ban nakaliang jong jong ICM ila airu kan order ka berkertam nak minta ka municipal nama kadon kini ke tangki kan ni syak radio ya ka ba kini ki pai kio i ke jingya ki pai digi hajar tuli digi ho hajar tuli si ya kan ni ru kan don kari alignment ka berkertam kindon ki benta ki bangin penrum support jamanala kindon ki benta ki bangin le ri alignment ka bangin ra no ya kini ki pai kakum ka jinggit jingbian ka bakin le na ya engineer jong ka municipal board ke kita ki benta ki benta ka sini ICM ni pulut bor kabun kenta agaban ya siem ban kendu batin Nongshongiew songhan ban ke sarkar ka sin serious kan yakam ban agreement kenta kan lok di employ ya ki pajba ki bajuan ki baju injan kan ka Iewduh bat ha ka boru kan ngok ka burom ka kau ya kari ya ka jaj ri jeni barok
Bahduh kan ni ka Meriu Kulur buat kan ni San Kulur kan ka State Fund ni kan ka Central Fund nomor ba earlier ka NEC kalau announce